Hi and welcome back. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and click that notification bell for all new videos. So today I'm going to be opening a couple items from Wish that I purchased. The first package will be hair styling set tools for bun making, braided hair, and ponytails. So when you order from Wish, you have to make sure you read all the details, as I missed that it was an 8-piece set. Even though I only needed one, they sent 2, along with hair. Oh well, I guess that's good for backup if you ever have something break. Here's a piece that you can do for bun making or braiding hair. Once you figure out how to use it, you'll be good. I think there's instructions on the back of the package if you'd like to check those out when you order yours. Next we have the smaller Topsy Tail with 2 ends to be used, and of course a comb. And here's the larger Topsy Tail, making it easier to flip your hair around in a ponytail. I also found the pieces quite flexible and easy to bend. I guess if you wanted to get creative, you can use both of these together. I'll show you these being used in some hair closer to the end of the video. So next I ordered a hairpiece. It's called a Bridal, Bridesmaid, Wedding, Palm, Flower, Crystal, Rhinestone, Hair Comb, Headpiece. That's quite a long name. I thought it would be cute for some updos for my updo channel. So it looks cute from in the package, but I do notice there's one broken piece. So it does suck when you purchase something and you find it broken when you receive it. But fortunately enough, you really can't tell where it broke off. Referring back to the pictures, I do now see it's on top of the hair comb. And the metal pieces do have a more curve in this picture, where here they're more straight. So I'm a little bit disappointed in this product. The metal seems very cheap, and you have to bend the comb away from the front part just to get it in the hair. Would I order this piece again? Probably not. Okay, so let's move on to using some of the hair tools in the hair. So I'm just going to make a half ponytail here so we can use the Topsy Tail to show you how it works, if you've never used one before. Using the comb feels very cheap, as it does flex around a little bit. That's why I'm not holding it by the handle. First off, we're going to use the big one, just by pushing it into the center of the ponytail, looping the hair through, and pulling it down. You do see it gives you a bit of a twist in the hair. Back in the 90s, this style was actually quite popular. putting your full hair into a ponytail and topsy-tailing it. So now using the smaller Topsy Tail, we're just going to stick it into the twist and pull a few smaller hairs through. It just kind of gives you a different look. Okay, on to the next piece. Now using this piece, I had a bit of difficult time to figure out how to use it, as this hairpiece I found a little more stiff and harder to bend. Connecting the two ends together, they kind of sat weird. Let's move on to the hair comb. So I just wanted to place it into the hair so you can have an idea on what it looks like. This is not the best hairstyle to try it in. But once we have it in, it actually doesn't look too bad. This piece would be great for updos or any kind of side style. Well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for all new videos. Thanks for watching!